Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find nearby friends on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the friends option at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see the option suggestions at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see the nearby friends on Facebook, and it is a way you can find nearby friends on Facebook if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.